In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the Fortnite error code LS-0006, so make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helps, and let's start. So the first step is to open the task manager, and you can do that by right clicking on the taskbar and click on task manager. And now what you want to do is find the Epic Games launcher, and once you find it, just click on it, click on end task, and do the same thing for Fortnite if it's opened. Once you do that, you can close the task manager, right click on the Epic Games launcher icon on your desktop, click on properties, now go to the compatibility tab, and what you want to do now is click on disable full screen optimizations and click on run this program as an administrator. Once you do that, click on apply and click on OK. The second step is to click on your Wi-Fi logo in the bottom right corner. So right click on it, click on open network and internet settings. Now click on change adapter options. Right click on Wi-Fi and open the properties. Now right click on Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties. Okay, and it should look like this for you. What you want to do is check the use the following DNS server addresses and type 1.1.1.1 in the preferred DNS server and 1.0.0.1 in the alternate DNS server. Once you do that, click on OK, and you can now close the Wi-Fi properties, the network connections, and the settings. And the third step is to simply click on the search bar and type cmd, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on yes, and now just type net shint IP reset and click on enter. Then type net sh winsock reset and click on enter again. And type ipconfig space /flush DNS and click on enter again. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the command prompt and now restart your PC. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like this video if it helped. Bye.